Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to take the notes on the vocabulary of family. I'm in your OneNote, Chapter 5. The page is Family Vocabulary. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents and make the page big. So, la familia, el vocabulario. Well, right away you can see in the yellow column, the light yellow column, you have the name in Spanish and then the masculine and feminine. So, in the Spanish column, we have both there. And then the gold key column, those with the gold key are the ones that are you should memorize. They're the most important ones for this chapter, at least in 7th grade. But I'm giving you additional words because they're all part of a possible family tree. So let's go ahead and let's take these notes. So el padre, the masculine version in English would be father. Now notice we're using the father, the mother, but right now in my column I'm just going to write the word. La madre, mother. El hijo, masculine, son. La hija, feminine, daughter. El esposo, husband. La esposa, wife. And again, I always think this one is funny because the word for handcuffs is also esposo, esposa. So when you get married, you are handcuffed to your husband and your wife. Okay, please note, I'm going to stop right here. Notice that the ones in this column that end in an A are going to go with the feminine. And the ones that end in blue with an O, those are the masculine, and they end up in the masculine column. All right, muy bien, let's continue. El hermano, that is the masculine version, and that means brother. La hermana, the sister. Hermana, sister. El tío is your uncle, the uncle. La tía then would be your aunt. El primo, female, primo, male. So this is actually, and I should have left room, is for the word cousin. Male cousin, female cousin. Okay, muy bien. Sobrina, sobrina. Well, that is if you have a brother or sister that has children. The sobrino would be your nephew, and la sobrina would be your niece. El abuelo is your grandfather. And la abuela with an A is your grandmother. Nieto, grandson. Nieta, granddaughter. Now notice the word abuelo and abuela again. Bis abuelo, bisabuela. Great grandfather, great grandmother. Padrastro. Well, look at this word astro. It's going to come up in the next 3. And if you have a blended family, that's an important word. Stepfather, padrastro. So what is a madrastra? Stepmother. Hijastro comes from hijo, which is son or daughter, which isn't, there it is up there on the list, hijo and hija. So hijastro or hijastra, stepson, stepdaughter. Hermano, brother, and hermana, sister. So hermanastro, stepbrother. Hermanastra, stepsister. Novio or novia. Maybe you have a parent or a sibling that has a novio or a novia. I'm going to put a little heart there. Okay, novio or novia. Novio, boyfriend. Novia, girlfriend. Sometimes those boyfriends and girlfriends are an important part of the family. All right, muy bien. Let's take a look at this little note at the bottom. The definite article el or la of the family members depends on their gender. And I'm going to make a real skinny little note here. Okay, so if it's el, then it is a boy. If it's la, then it is a girl. Muy bien. Let's look at another important part of your family, and that is your mascotas. What do you think mascotas are? That's right, mascotas. Think of the word mascots, right? So this is the pets. Pets are an important part of your family. Un perro, we know that one, right? The dog. El gato or un gato, a cat. Okay, I put el perro, but if you want to do un perro, that would be, I'm going to change that. Let me get rid of that. The el perro would be the dog. Un perro would be a dog. Un gato, a cat. Un caballo, a horse. Un pez or unos peces, so a or some. The word is plural, fish. Un hámster or un ratón, that one is a cognate, right? A hamster or a mouse. Looks like rat, but it really means mouse. Un conejo, rabbit. Un serpiente, snake. Looks like serpent. Una vaca. If you live on a farm, you might have a special cow. Un pájaro, this is just general, a bird. Un pájaro. Un guimo, a guinea pig? I think it's spelled like that. A guinea pig. Un guimo. Okay, once you take your notes, let's see if you can find the matchers for these. Okay, so there's 6 here. You have to see if you can find the matchers. Let's go back up and let's just practice the pronunciation of these words. We'll do the moscatas first, mascotas. Un guimo, un pájaro, una vaca, un serpiente, un conejo, un hámster, un ratón, un pez, unos peces, un caballo, un gato, un perro. Las mascotas. Let's go up to these and let's just practice la familia. El novio, la novia, el hermanastro, la hermanastra, el hijastro, la hijastra, el padrastro, la madrastra, el bisabuelo, la bisabuela, el nieto, la nieta, el abuelo, la abuela, el sobrino, la sobrina, el primo, la prima, el tío, la tía, el hermano, la hermana, el esposo, la esposa, el hijo, la hija, el padre, la madre, la familia. Muy bien. Gracias.